what is stop loss? Is stop loss important for profitable trading? Does profitable trading require risk management? Hi, I'm C.A. Rudramurthy, author of Amazon #1 book selling Mind, Market and Money, and also the only Indian who is recognized by Online Trading Summit as the world's best top trader trainers from India. Now, I want to give you people today a lot of learning on stop loss, how important it is, and let me just share this wonderful presentation and the big learning to each one of you. So guys, I want you to get this clear. First, let us understand what is stop loss and why should I use it. We will also see, should I use stop loss while trading or not? And let me just give you my mission statement. It is to assist all committed traders and investors to become multi-millionaires in life. Yes, let us learn what is stop loss. It is a risk management tool. It is the only way you can limit your losses when market goes against you. If someone thinks every time I can be right and I am supreme, you should either be God or you should be a liar. I am neither a God nor a liar, and I can tell you making money overall is important and not being right on all the call. And this is the biggest learning I can ever see in my career of 17 plus years in stock market. And I have never seen a single trader who is successful except in Twitter on following the risk management and then succeeding. And people say that, can I succeed in stock market without stop loss and risk management? And my clear answer is, in past it has not happened, it will not happen in present, and even in the future no one can be successful in stock market as a trader without following risk management. And let me explain to you how and why. Clearly you decide which is right and which is wrong. And let me also tell you simple, a stop loss is when you buy a stock. For example, you buy at 100 rupees onward technology a stock. Your target is 120, your stop loss is 90 rupees. Without target and stop loss before entering the trade, you cannot find the risk reward. For example, in this, I'm buying a stock at 100, my target is 120, stop loss is 90 rupees. So when I buy it at 100, I'm expecting 20 rupee profit, and I'm seeing if market comes down and hits my stop loss, then I lose 10 rupees. So my risk is 10 rupees, my reward is 20 rupees. So you can't find out risk reward without having the target and stop loss. Now let me tell you, it helps you to calculate risk reward like how we did right now, and always calculate your risk reward for the first target. There are some people who say target 1, target 2, target 3. There are some people who say maximum profit, minimum profit. You have to always calculate your risk reward for target 1, because we don't know later on if target 2 comes or target 3 comes, we don't know where to exit. So your risk reward should always be calculated for target 1 and not for target 2, 3 or whatever it is. Now let me tell you, to calculate a trade edge, you have to know risk reward and accuracy. I'll be doing you a separate video only on trade edge. So I just want to tell you very simple, you cannot be right on all the trades what you do unless you are God or you are a liar. If you are neither God nor you are a liar, stop loss is a must. And let me tell you why you have to take stop loss, or why you should follow stop loss, and why all successful traders follow stop loss. Very simple, never fight the market. Market is supreme. Market is bigger than all individuals and group of people also. Market can eat any individual in few seconds. No individual or group of people can eat market in their lifetime. You cannot be right always 100% of the time unless you are a God or a liar. 50% loss, this is the biggest learning. 50% loss cannot be made good by 50% gain. A 50% loss can be made good only by 100% gain. Let me explain how it is. So if you are buying a stock at 100 and if the stock falls to 50 rupees, you have lost 50%. But from 50 rupees, if the stock has to go back to your purchase price of 100, it has to go up by 100% and not by 50%. To put it simple, a 50% loss cannot be made good by 50% gain. Because if a stock falls from 100 to 50 rupees, the fall is 50%. But from 50, if it rises another 50%, it will only go to 75. So to go back to 100, from 50 rupees to go back to 100, it has to rise by 100%. So a loss of 50% can be made good by a gain of 100% just to break even, not for profit. So from this, what you should understand is you have to always protect your downside, because profits will take care of itself on the upside. You don't have to do anything. And let me give you this big learning. A loss of 5% can be made good not by a gain of 5%, but by a gain of 5.3%. Look at this table. A loss of 50% can be made good only by a gain of 100% just now, as I told. Now see this, a loss of 95% can be made good not by a gain of 95%, but by a gain of 1900%, which is never possible. I know my friend who bought Suzlon at 200 rupees. So buying Suzlon at 200 rupees is not a mistake. Not keeping stop loss at 180 rupees is a mistake. So he bought Suzlon at 200. Now let us say Suzlon is 5 rupees. He has lost over 95% of his capital. He is now asking, where should I keep stop loss on Suzlon? You have only one answer, 0. So if you make one mistake like this, you are out of the game. People bought Yes Bank at 450 rupees. Now at 15 rupees, people ask, where should I keep stop loss? So if you have lost 90 to 95% of your capital, to come back to your break even, you have to gain over 1800, 1900%, which is next to impossible. So people now understand why we have to keep stop loss. Now you decide whether should you keep stop loss or not. I don't have to tell you anything. Let me give you this biggest story of life, that is Nick Leeson. Just do some Google or watch a movie called Rogue Trader. I repeat, watch a movie called Rogue Trader. You have a book also called Rogue Trader. This Nick Leeson is alive even today, and he says, the only thing I suggest all people who are traders in this world is just follow stop loss. He brought down 200-year history bank called Old Bearing Bank. He brought this bank to bankruptcy. A 200-year-old bank, 5-generation bank, was made to come to 0 because he did only one mistake, Nick Leeson, that is not to follow stop loss. And today he charges money not in lakhs, but in few lakhs and close to crores, just to teach with his experience only one thing, to keep stop loss whenever you trade. And do you have to become another Nick Leeson? Do you want to close another Old Bearing Bank? Do you want to go to jail like Nick Leeson and then learn stop loss? Or do you want to learn from the lessons of Nick Leeson, who has gone through this pain of not following stop loss? Choice is yours. Now finally, with this great value addition what you have got in today's learning, it is now time for me to tell you, if you cannot follow stop loss, stop trading. Never fight the market. You will always lose. My simple question, when you have Warren Buffett, who is the best investor, who is the best person in stock market, trader, whatever you call, you have Radhakishan Damani, you have Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, But why are these people not trying to become world #1 richest person? Why still we have Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk? Why still we have Mukesh Ambani in India? Because these people know that position sizing, risk management, and stop loss is everything. Because to try to become India's #1 or world #1, and they do mistake thinking they are bigger than market and market is small, and they say we don't follow risk management, these people will go out even from the second, third, fourth, fifth position. Market can eat any individual in few seconds. No individual can eat market fully in his lifetime. Hope you have a choice now to understand whether you want to be a true person with right level of learning, or you want to be lured by people who have no understanding of market, and we have many trollers this way. Now, after all these things and this great learning, whatever I've shared with you, I want to give you some more input. And this is after full learning on whether should you follow stop loss or not, why downside protection is very important, because a loss of 90-95% of your capital can be made good only by a gain of 1800% plus. So you have to understand whether risk management is important or not. And finally, let me answer this troller section. I want to give you a story, and this story was two people were sitting on a donkey and they were going. See what trollers told them. They said these two people are sitting on the back of a donkey, and see the animal is so poor animal because it has to take so much of weight. Later on, what happened? The husband only sat on the donkey and he made wife to walk. Again, the trollers told how cruel this husband is, because he is making his wife to walk and he is sitting aramse on the donkey. Now what happened? Listening to this troller, the husband came down and made the wife sit on donkey. Trollers again told how stupid he is by letting his wife take the ride alone and he is walking. Now finally they decided both will walk and let the donkey have no weight. These trollers again told fools don't even know how to utilize the donkey. So from this the message is clear. Whatever you do, these trollers have no other job but to do trolling. But these guys don't know truth is always truth. How much ever you troll, whatever is the situation, these trollers will talk, because their only job is to talk rubbish. But the truth, till the sun and moon exists, the truth also exists. You can kill Gandhi through Nathuram Godse, but you can't kill Gandhi's teachings. You can send Buddha to Bhutan by doing some cunning activity and trolling, but you can't send Buddha's teachings to Bhutan. Till the sun and moon exists, we still have the great learnings and teachings of Gandhi, Buddha, and many more people like this, because trollers can do nothing except accepting the truth, if not today, but later. Now, guys, I want to live log into my account, and people are asking, it is my account, I have to show all that, and I want to show you the live screen. So I want you to see this completely coming to you live, and I am logging. So I have my username which has been typed here, VR00001, R represents Rudra, and I am putting the password there. And let me just type in and live login. I just want to show you guys. So I have to type in my PAN also here. So I'm just putting in all my details, and let me do that. Okay, so I'm putting login. Just see live, is it getting logged in? So troller's job is to keep trolling. Our job is to keep making profit and then show the truth, because whatever you do, they continue their job, we continue our money minting job. So this is today's live trade I'm showing to you by logging in, and let me just give to you today what happened. And I'm showing you complete picture, and please enjoy completely. Now, please see the screen. You have my account ID and you have what I have traded. So 2 trades I did. One is what I have done today in F&O, Bank Nifty. The profits what I make, I always buy equity stocks for wealth creation. So let me now go here and check only NFO so that I give you the details of my F&O. So this is the trade done. See the symbol, it is Bank Nifty. See the instrument, it is option. Last traded price is there with you and mark to market profits is here. So you can see here mark to market profit 4,28,693.75. And also you can see the same number here 4,28,693.75. Now people ask ROI, what is the capital invested? Now see here my quantity, net buy is 8,000, net sell is also 8,000. Don't do the mistake of doing 8,000 multiplied by the buy price. I did not buy 8,000 fully one shot because I have only 20 lakh dedicated to my trading account normally. So this 8,000 is not one time buying and one time selling. You can't buy more than 2,500 quantity at a time. So I buy only 2,500. I bought and I sold. And normally when I enter, the price is somewhere around 500, 600. So that's the range at which I select my strike price and I have my Rudralogy technique for the same. So buy price is there here. This is buy average price, which is around 633. And sell average is showing 686. Now some idiots will say only 50 rupee made, only 55 rupee, because troller will do his job, show whatever it is. But please understand this 8,000 is not one single quantity. For 600, around 2,500 rupees, even if you take, what you require is around 15 lakh, not more than that. So I buy 2,500 quantity, I sold. Again I bought, I sold. So again I bought, I sold. So around 2-3 kinds of trades this way, and total quantity for the day is 8,000. Capital required is not 8,000 multiplied by the buy price. So you have for around 15 lakh to 20 lakh capital, 4,28,693 straight I have logged in and I have shown. So now let me give opportunity for all trollers to talk next what you want. We continue our profit because truth is always truth. Now after this, I want to give you some more information. So let me just, after showing this, get back to what we were learning more. So people say, let me go back to my screen, which I have logged in and I have shown you now. And some of them very, very cleverly they talk because they have no understanding of market. So people told, it is our own back office, he is a broker there. So Vachana Investment is the stock broker. He is also the NSE broker. So what is happening? He showed 20 lakh as derivative profit and 70 lakh as investment profit. So I want to tell you a very simple point. 20 lakh rupee is derivative profit. 70 lakh is investment profit. Please understand, if people told back office is their own and you can duplicate it, there is no SSL certificate, there is no, they have mollified it, someone told me this. So there was a big list of questions people asked. I am asking a simple question, very simple question. Please ask it to all the trollers. My question is, and through this I want each one of you to learn. We learned stop loss, how important it is. We learned what happened to Nick Leeson. And I want you to learn how these trollers are doing their trolling job, but still I give you the learning. If this is completely forged and done by me and it is our own broking and blah, 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 why should you do 20 lakh profit in derivative and show it? Why can't you show 200 lakh? Why can't you show 20 crores? Why do you want to show 70 lakh investment profit when everything is forged? Why can't you show 7 crore? Why can't you show 700 crore? When you can show anything and everything. But truth remains the truth. Let me tell you, My 70 lakh profit which was shown there was through stock trading. It is not investment, because I showed you the P&L report. If you want to go and check back that video, please go back again, because truth is always truth. And I have shown 70 lakh through stock trading. It is not stock investing. And I want to tell you, you tell me, who is a good trader? A person who trades only Nifty, Bank Nifty, that too only selling option, or you tell me, is it good to do Nifty, Bank Nifty, even stock trading, futures, options buying, option selling, depending on market, do you want to do everything? Choice is yours. You want to do stocks, index, everything, or you want to do only index? Next, I want to ask, people say we sell options but we teach buying option, and they also told margin is blocked. For option buying, margin is never required. And my trollers, I'm answering all trollers. This is not to target any individual. We have so many trollers, and they're giving us an opportunity to teach for a lot of new people who should not be lured or cheated by these people. So let me tell you, they don't even know margins, and they're talking as India's leading option seller. Let me tell you, how can you understand this? Common sense is missing in you on market. Futures trading also requires margin, and we have done lot of future position for which margin gets blocked. So it is not option selling for which margin got blocked. It is for futures what you have done buying and selling, and you carry position, for that margin gets blocked. So the profit of 70 lakh what you have seen is not investment. That is showing P&L report of stocks profit what we have done. And that is not one small account I showed you. And 70 lakh, 20 lakh is 90 lakh total through pure trading. Investment, I have not shown you the account. I have only shown you one Fridun Pharma stock where I have holding, and you can see the video which I have already given for that. And this is full trading. And there are people who say everything has been forged and he is the broker. If that is the case, why do you have to show 20 lakh, 70 lakh? Why can't you show 200 crore and 700 crore? People use at one side the way they want, and they say this is forged. At another side, they say this is only 20 lakh here and only 70 lakh here. If you don't know how margin is calculated and blocked, and you don't understand future market, do you have any future? And you think you create futures to others. Trollers, thanks for all your ignorance what you show to people who don't even understand how margins are calculated. Now, let me also tell you, if you can show anything just because you are a broker, then what will happen in audit? Every year, there is an audit which happens from SEBI, from CDSL, from exchange, and you think as a broker you can show anything. If that was the case, all brokers would have shown any number what they want, and they said they will make this profit, that profit. When you are forging and showing 70 lakh, 20 lakh, why can't you forge and show 700 crore, 200 crore, total 900 crore? So there is an audit which happens. And as a broker, if you can show anything, then you also become broker and show. Please understand, this is foolishness by people who don't even know how margins are calculated, and by people who don't even know through stocks we can trade, and they don't even know futures require margin. And they think only it is option selling which require margin. And let me tell you, even 1 rupee I have not sold options first. And this I'm giving it as a declaration. Now, if someone wants to see all this, you don't have to pay me 1 lakh for my own charity fund, which I will create and ask you and beg you for donation. I will give it absolutely free for someone who wants to check all this hard copy. You can come and check, login in our office. It is an open challenge. No need to pay 1 lakh donation. But only one thing, you have to accept truth is truth. And these trollers will troll like that donkey story and that husband and wife story. Anything you do, they will troll. But we will teach and we will ensure retail people are not lured and they are not cheated by these people. And guys, I have to answer this. Someone told me he is just claiming he is one of the world top 5 traders, and there is a cricket match, this happened, that happened, trollers are talking. I'm giving you the detail once again. This is Online Trading Summit, which says he is one among the top 5 world's trader trainers. Now, I want you to watch all my videos again and please understand what is shown is this, that I am one among the world's top 5 trader trainers. But there are people, because of age, problem is age, their teeth is gone, eyes is gone, mind is gone very long back, and finally ears are also gone. I have told I am one among the top 5 world's best trader trainers. That means you should be a trader also successful and a trainer also successful. I have never told anywhere I am one of the top 5 world traders. I have told top 5 world trader trainers. That means you have to be a successful trader and a successful trainer. Because if you are not a successful trader, how can you train? And if you are not a successful trainer, then how can you trade and make others successful? The quality here is both is required. And let me just tell you about this very clear. Now people ask, why is still not the top 5 trader? Trollers, my age is still 38 years. And people who are in world's top 5 trader or India's top 5 trader, please ask what is their age. And I don't know, in the league of 38 years or below, still I should be there. And I'm also telling you, please understand the power of compounding. So money compounds and it grows bigger and bigger. If you take 40 years to earn 1 crore, you will not take 80 years to earn 2 crore. I repeat, if you take 40 years to earn 1 crore, you will not take 80 years to earn 2 crore. Please understand, power of compounding comes with age. And at the age of 38, I am showing you, and today's front office login I did and showed you 4 lakh change profit, and still trollers can troll whatever they want. Our job is to make money and give the truth. Troller job is to keep trolling and keep talking nonsense and rubbish. Now let me also tell you, India's leading option seller, this is the quote used. And it was in August 2018 when someone told, India's leading option seller. What leading? Now, if someone says in 2018, he is India's leading option seller, this is the word used. Should you show income of 2018 before, or should you show 2020 to 2021 financial year? Which one should you show? I am earning 25 crore through stock market related activity. Very good word used, correct word. But you should show us before 2018 this article came. You are already India's leading option seller. So please show us before 2018 your India's leading option seller's income statement. Not 1 lakh donation, 10 lakh donation we will give you. Show us, were you the India's leading option seller in August 2018? India illa, Mandia irbeku, check madbeku. So money made after this through YouTube scam and luring new public. Yes, here people have made money in 2020 and 2021, but it is not possible in 2021 and 2022. You know why? Because 40,000 capital is enough. Fees of the course for option selling is 6,000. So this is what trollers are doing. I will give this course of just 40,000 capital, 6,000 rupee fees charged. along with my value added course. I will give a value added course. For that course, we will charge peanut. And this course along with that, we will give it absolutely free. You don't have to pay 6,000. Full value I will give. What is given in the 6,000 course plus what is given beyond that, which is right, which is wrong, and I will give this 6,000 course absolutely free, and next even 25,000 course and 50,000 courses will come absolutely free, along with value added programs for which people pay peanut. But then please remember, I will give even my courses to the trollers. Please see if you can even give that for free, and I will be the most happiest person, because we make money through trading and we don't make through YouTube scams and these type of courses and these type of cheating for people. And let me finally tell you that I have answered only few questions and many more are coming in the next video series. I want you to please give me the caption and the title for these videos. And finally, I have to ask you sorry. And I'm asking sorry right now with my hands put in this particular position. And I'm asking sorry. I stood for common men. I stood for retail traders. I stood for new people in stock market. And I named some of them indirectly. I did not name them directly. I named some of them indirectly in my previous video. You know, I'm asking sorry for all my common men, retailers, and lot of new people. I'm asking you sorry for standing on behalf of you and showing the indirect name of these trollers. My sorry is not for the trollers. My sorry is for these people who felt bad. But let me tell you, I stood for you and you did not like that. Today, I have never used a direct or indirect name, but truth remains the truth. And let me also tell you, our family, our culture, and the place where I am born, Karnataka, this is nothing to do with the 2 states or 2 places. I'm only telling the place where I am born and the culture where I am brought up, my family. They teach me to respect even trollers. That is a reason why I named the troller with a respected word, which you know. And today I am not using the name also. Forget direct name, even indirect name I am not using. But my culture, my land where I am born, my parents have taught me to respect people who are even our enemies. And we never say, people are cunning, Bangalore trader, people are that, this. Front office login, I have shown you the report today. And 70 lakh, 20 lakh people don't understand trading gains. They think investment. People don't know margin is required for future contract. And people talk about all other things. Today, I have only given few points and trailer. Few more will come in the next series of video. And I want your suggestion to tell me what have to be done to save these retail traders and new people from these YouTube scammers. And I want to see before 2018, in August article, when people told leading option seller. So please show us before 2018 what was leading. It was only lagging. Later on, YouTube scams and money gave this. Now let me only ask 2 questions. So many questions people are asking as trollers. I'm only asking these trollers, whoever are there, only 2 questions. So let me ask you now, what is my question number 1? And I'm asking this question from previous video, I didn't get reply. This video also, I'm sure I'll not get reply. Even all our future video also same question. Question number 1. Trader Carnival 2018. Live trades were done. And I was sitting, our troller was sitting, and 2 more people were sitting. Very, very good people are the other 2 people who are sitting, 4 people. It was attended by 100 people live, including Pran Kataria, the friend of troller. He was also there as a participant who has seen this. Video was shot by Bloomberg Quint and everything recorded is available. A person told on live trade, market will fall. And because market will fall, I want to sell call option. That was a view, live trade, everyone saw, recorded. I told market will go up and I simply bought in futures. And when I showed my M2M, I made a profit that day intraday just of about 1.5 to 2 lakh with a small capital of 10 lakh. And our troller next to me showed a profit closing market hours, who told market will fall, and he showed a profit of 15 lakh. This is what we do. This is adjustment. I'm asking you, sitting in front of you, next to you, I saw you because that day all now terminal got blocked and you were unable to exit your position and you took opposite position with your Chennai broker, and you showed the Chennai broker screen and showed what was happening there, and you showed one more Mumbai account there and you did 2 trades. Can you please show me on Trader Carnival 2018 what happened in both the brokers, Bombay broker, Chennai broker? You showed only one account. Seeing even this cheating, being a competitor on the stage, I kept quiet. You know why? Because our family, our parents, and our place where I am born teaches us to respect people on stage and not to talk bad about anyone. But trollers just keep trolling and they talk they are the savers and others are cunning. I'm only asking one question out of so many questions what you have asked for which you got a reply. Please show me your Trader Carnival recorded data, Chennai broker, Mumbai broker account on that day, and your profits what you disclosed there on the recorded screen. If both the accounts you show and if that is true, then I will say you are a true savior. You cannot cheat because I was there next to you, but I kept quiet. You are not at all talking about this which I am asking repeatedly. Now, you manage people account and you did that. This people lost 1 crore also in one day. We have all seen that. So please show us where you have cleared your SEBI examination for fund management. Tomorrow, don't take an employee who is passed off this exam and show it as your company. Because individually you have managed a people account. So 1 crore minimum capital. Now people are asking 5 crore capital, blah, 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 trolling and cheating. So please show us your old, those days, whenever, even forget old, from today also I will give you time. Try to see if you can clear these 2 SEBI examination, which I am showing on my screen. So NISM, investment advisor for managing fund, if you can clear exam 1 and exam 2. Even now I will ask you, see if you can write this exam and pass. If you don't know how margin is calculated for future and you talk about stop loss and position sizing and giving gyan and making YouTube money and cheating people, do you think you can even clear today? I'll give you a chance, please try. And let me tell you, I am world's top 5 trader trainers and not world's top 5 trader. But my success is to see other people successful. And 2018, leading option seller, show us what you have led till 2018 before, and not the YouTube cheating scam and the income earned in last 1 year. So I don't have to tell anything more, but I want to just give the big learning. I don't want our newbies to get cheated this way. And sorry for standing on behalf of you in my last video and doing this, but I want you to tell me whether the things whatever is there is true, right? And I'm waiting for your comment. Did you learn about stop loss? Do you know why to keep stop loss? Do you know if you lose 50% to make it back, you want 100%? Did you learn how Nick Leeson, he made a 200-year history bank called the old bearing bank to close and go bankrupt without following stop loss, went to jail for Switzerland 6 years. Do you have to do all this? He even got cancer. Today he teaches only one thing: please follow stop loss. And just do some Google and watch the movie Rogue Trader Without Fail. And after all these things, live I went into my terminal and showed you today's profit. And I'll also tell you, trollers, remember the donkey and the two people story what I told. They keep trolling and we keep making money and educating people. And I see my success through success of retail people, and I am here to ensure truth always stays upright. Thank you for watching this video, and I only want to tell you, for this Yugadi, please ensure you remove the negativity of life and all these trollers who are there, which I have already done. I'm not using any names, and I want to tell you, forward this video to at least one person so that you join hands in this Yugadi to kill the evil and ensure the truth always wins. Satya Meva Jayati. And I want to salute each one of you who have been here in this program. Signing off, Rudramurthy. For more input and information, be ready to watch the next episode. Thank you all. Take care. Take care of your family, yourself, and everyone, and pass this great knowledge and be rich through true knowledge. Thank you.